If you're looking for a monitor, this 6-inch touchscreen monitor is for you. We'd like to thank Viltrox for sending this over for review, and as always, these are my own opinions. Now let's unbox this. Right, so the first thing we can see is that we've got this hard case which protects your monitor. This is a great sort of case. Let's have a look, see what's inside. Right, we've got a couple of cards, one in Chinese, one in English. Got the QR codes on. Also comes in the kit is a screen protector, which is a great inclusion. And here we have the monitor. The monitor comes with a sunshade, and it's very useful for bright light. You can still see what's happening with the monitor. So there's a battery included, which is an MP battery, and on the back you've got a button. You can see how charged the battery is. And also included is a cold shoe, which will fit on your camera and will lock into the bottom or the side of your monitor. It comes with a couple of cables, HDMI mini to HDMI, HDMI to HDMI, and also comes with a charge cable which allows you to upload LUTs. Now this sunshade easily clips off, and so it's just clips on 4 corners. It's great for protecting the monitor. And there you are, there you've got the bare monitor. So here you've got a tripod mount on the side, and also at the back is where the battery fits. On the other side you've got an in and out HDMI ports and also a headphone socket. And on top you've got the power on button and function buttons and the menu button. So on the left hand side you can alter the volume, on the right hand side you can alter the backlight, and just press the menu button and it brings up the menu. You've got a lot of functions, which hopefully I'm going to go through most of them. So you've got a volume bar, which is the microphone. Got a histogram, 2 sorts of histogram, and the touchscreen is great. You just touch it and you can switch it off. It has a vector scope and you just can switch that on. RGB parade. You've got 3 different versions of that, so it depends what you want. And you can have everything. You switch it on and you've got everything. So 3D LUTs as well, and there's LUTable list, which is ones which are incorporated inside the monitor. And also you can use the USB to upload your own LUT if need be. So then we come to the peaking, and you can just use this slider bar, or you can use the arrows to change it. So you've got red, green and blue, and you can have it at whatever intensity you like. So next is the false colour, and you've got 2 different versions of false colour. You've got zebras, which you can adjust using the slider bar or the arrow keys. So you can also change the colour. This is if you're shooting maybe at night, you don't want it too bright. You've got the next one, which sure what that does. The overscan and underscan. You can flip the screen, you can flip horizontal, which is good for if you're filming yourself, or you can flip vertically. You've got the monitor mounted in a different place. Oh, there's several other things here which you know, you're never going to be short of functions on this monitor. So here you can set up 80%, 85%, 90% on the full thing. You've also got two different variations. You can have a centre cross, or you can have the rule of thirds. You can change the view of different. These. You can also, then the aspect ratio you could change. This way you can change you can zoom in to check your focus. You can have it very quickly. And you can assign these to the function buttons if you want. You can shrink or stretch this, which you can obviously, depending on, you've got all these brightness, contrast, saturation, and you can set all these to match your screen or your computer screen. And then we're on to the last one here, which is the sort of you can change language. You've only got Chinese or English. You can alter the fan speed, the volume. The OSD menu allows you to make the menu more transparent. You've got the F keys, which again will allow you to set up each function key to what you want. So there you've got a screen, you can pick what you want and then assign it to the function key, and then you can instantly press the function key and get what you want. So you've got the system key, you've got the product manual, you can reset the whole thing, and you can update the firmware. I hope I've done this monitor justice, and the build quality is superb. There's so many functions, it's just unreal. So you won't be disappointed. The touchscreen is great, and really a boon rather than not having a touchscreen. It sort of really helps you. Hopefully you made it this far. There's a link down below and you can get 8% off of your purchase. So just click the link. It is an affiliate link, so I will get something for it. And you know, this is really a great monitor. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and all that stuff. And if you've got any queries, leave a comment down below and we'll do our best to answer it. I've probably missed out a few things on this run through of these of the functions, but you know, you can't go far wrong with this monitor.